Hi friends, how are you doing? Today we will learn about some more animals and their babies. Do you know the lion is the king of the jungle? It has a big fluffy mane. A baby lion is called a cub. It loves to play, bounce, and roar just like Daddy Lion. Together they have lots of wild adventures. A baby horse is called a foal. The mama horse runs fast across the fields, strong and free. And the little foal trots beside her. It is still learning to gallop and play. Isn't it cute? The kangaroo hops high and fast across the land. Its baby is called a joey. The baby joey stays safe in mama's pouch, peeking out to see the beautiful world. Duck babies are called ducklings. The mother duck swims across the pond, and her fluffy ducklings follow in a neat row. They splash, quack, and paddle together, having wiggly giggly fun. A baby deer is called a fawn. The gentle deer walks through the forest while her fawn stays close by. With tiny steps and big, curious eyes,
The little fawn explores the wild jungle with its mother. Tell me, how many animals have you seen in the zoo?